Now it's alright having a fancy machine, just like a mould injection tool, but how does that get from the company to your shop floor? Well, I'm here with Simon to find out how they deliver Fanucs machines. So Simon, before we get into the ins and outs, just give us a brief background on yourself and how long have you worked at Flegg?
Been working at Flegg for 5.5 years. Used to have my own company, me and my dad. Started in '96. Joined with Jason and the team 5.5 years ago. I've been delivering Fanuc injection moulders from about 1996. So know them quite well. Very impressive place, impressive. And yeah, that's all I've ever done is machinery.
Now, obviously you brought quite a impressive piece of equipment with you today. So just give us a little bit on this and the rest of the fleet, because surely you must have quite an array of machines to deliver some of these machines.
Yep, we've got loads of different toys to play with. Behind us we've got a Landell PT40. That's capable of picking 22 tonne. Got forks, jib, everything. We've also got a JMG MC 580. It picks 58 tonne, all electric. Various amount of cranes, up to 150 Fassi on the back of a 4-axle trailer. Small cranes, we'll move anything up to a kilo, up to however you want to go.
Now, some people at home might be thinking, well, wait a minute, moving the machine's easy. You just pick it up, put it down at my door, skate it in, job done. But that is not the case at all, is it?
No, it's easy if you've been doing it years, and it looks easy. From a customer's point of view, they look at it, it's gone so easy. But you need to know what you're doing. It's not a case of just jacking, skating, pushing. You've got to jack it in the right place, skate it in the right place. And accidents don't happen then. You just got to take a bit of care. These machines are owned by customers, that's their livelihood. So at Flegg's, we take the care to look after.
And I think that's great you've said that, because a lot of people just be like, well, I bought a machine, it's mine, but you've got to get that machine in safely, and essentially you've got to treat it like your own, because you wouldn't want your own machine breaking.
Yeah, you don't buy a car with a pop tyre or damaged door. You won't do it with a machine. So, you know, that's someone's livelihood. You've got on some skates and jacks, lifting with a crane. You just got to take care with it.
And how does that go into the business with Flegg? Because obviously we've done quite a few videos with Flegg now, and you guys aren't really, I wouldn't call you a company, you're more like a family. We've been into your place and it is brilliant. Everybody gets on so well. So is that part of the success of Flegg?
Yeah, it's always been a family business. I've known Jason Flegg from the age of 16, and it's always been Flegg's are a family business. And they if you work for them, they treat you like a family, which is lovely, rather than just a number in a big company.
Now, we're here at the Fanuc open house, and obviously you're here showing off just two of the toys you've got, because let's not mention this. And I'm going to mention this because you've polished it nicely for us, so I'm going to mention this. But why is it an advantage for you guys to be here at this open house to showcase what you guys can do?
A lot of people just see it on LinkedIn, or if they're passing a company, they see us putting the machine in. It's nice to come to people that you work with. You may get some contacts, end users, but it's nice to catch up with the people you deal with, salesmen, people from Fanucs that book your lorries, and putting names to emails. It's just all about getting to see some people. You know, it's just nice to get out rather than you see an email. That's all you see.
Well, Simon, from me, thank you very much. It's been great. And if anyone at home is looking at buying a new machine or needs a machine moving, then Flegg Projects, make sure you give these guys a call.